The King Plus was designed from years of misuse studies and designed to make the whole installation process quick and effortless. The King Plus features our unique seatbelt tensioning system and a tilt thread go seating area which tilts forward for easy installation and maximum safety. The adjustable headrest and harness system is easily adjusted from the front and moves up as your child grows, eliminating any error in refitting. 4 recline positions let you adjust the seat without disturbing your child. The seat offers complete side impact protection through deep, softly padded side wings. The seat also includes performance chest pads for additional energy absorption in an accident. The 5-point pull safety harness makes adjusting simple and safe. For additional safety and ease of use, the King Plus has a softly padded, washable, quick-remove seat cover, which eliminates the need for you to dismantle the harness when removing the seat cover. To make it easy to get your child in and out of the seat, the harness straps are conveniently stowed away in their harness retainers and the buckle stays in the forward position. With all these features and the simple installation, the King Plus really is the next best alternative to an ISOFIX installed seat. The King Plus, independently recognized by consumer test organizations across Europe.